Our skin is constantly bombarded by the environmental stressors and changing lifestyle. Pollutants present in the air hits the skin and clog the pores of the skin, which may cause pimple or acne problems. Sometimes pimples left with mark or scar on the skin. Here are some good habits and some simple tips that can help you to get the clear skin. Tip number 1. Keep your skin clean as much as possible. Wash your face after every outdoor visit. Especially wash your face with a good cleanser before you go to sleep, because if you go for sleep with a dirty face, your skin bacteria, oil and dirt will get a chance to make pimple overnight. Tip number 2. Drink plenty of water, 8 to 10 glass per day, even in winter. When you drink more water, kidney filters your blood more and more. Especially in winter, by drinking more water, there will be frequent urination, which is the sign of filtering of your blood. It helps to get rid of acne and even acne marks. Tip number 3. Add 20 to 30 minutes exercise in your daily routine, because exercise increases sweating, and greater the face sweating, clearer will be your skin. Tip number 4. Avoid fast food and oily foods. Prefer desi ghee if you want to make paratha or any kind of oily food. Tip number 5. Don't take stress, because stress makes your acne and acne marks more and more deeper and become difficult to treat. Use 2 parts of water and 1 part of baking soda. Make a paste and scrub it on the affected area. Rinse with water after a minute. Don't rub your skin while removing the paste. Add half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this on your face and leave it for 10 minutes. Do this every day for best results. Mix equal part of honey and turmeric and apply it on your skin for 20 minutes. It would help to remove the dead skin. Rinse thoroughly with water. You can also replace turmeric with saffron if you don't like the yellow color of the turmeric. Aloe vera is great for sunburn, acne, pimple and acne marks. It is really easy to use. Just get fresh leaf of aloe vera, remove the gel inside, put the whole piece of gel on pimple or acne marks. It would slip many times but finally stuck to your skin. Leave it until it becomes dry. You can use it again and again to get faster results. Have patience dear. You cannot get rid from acne or acne marks within a week. It would take at least 2 months to get clear skin after adopting these habits. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers. If you find this video helpful, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.